A tragedy in a family that occurred on a Connecticut highway caused the formation of an organization called Flagman. Cindy Iodice's brother Corey, a tow truck driver, was killed in April of 2020 as he was assisting a disabled motorist. And my guest today is Flagman founder Cindy Iodice. So nice to see you.
It's so great to be here again. Thank you.
So after your brother died, you got busy. You put together Flagman and have been educating people ever since. Tell me about it.
Yeah, so we created Flagman Inc., a nonprofit organization. Our goal is to educate people on the move over law, which exists in every state. And our point of attack is to go into schools and educate children in kindergarten through 12th grade, and then encourage them to come home and tell their parents.
Tell me about this video that you just put together that is airing.
Oh, yes. So thanks to the help of Fairfield, Connecticut first responders, they brought all the resources to the table and helped me shoot our first ever Connecticut Flagman PSA. And it's a 30-second PSA that will advise our adults to slow down and move over for anytime they see anything happening on the side of the road. It also speaks about the importance of being an active passenger. So it really targets our kids from K to 12 who aren't yet driving.
And because you are targeting the students, they tell their mom or dad, stop texting.
Yes.
They tell me about what else kids are learning, and they're going to be young drivers too.
Yeah, so the main thing we're teaching kids is that they have a responsibility in the car, right? So if they're in the back seat, that they should be looking ahead on the road. Anytime they spot danger, that they should tell their driver. And you know, we had a recent story where a little boy was in a car with his friend's mother. She was texting. He asked her to stop texting, call his mother, and he wanted to get out of the car because Flagman taught him that that was not okay and it was unsafe.
How has this helped you and your family? You've been in the tow truck business forever. With the loss of your brother, how is this program helping you guys go forward?
Yeah, my eyes just teared up because we've been in Fairfield for the past 8 days educating the Fairfield elementary school kids about slow down, move over. And my nieces, who were, you know, Maddie is 16 now, and she's the youngest of the 3 of them. They were just little girls when they lost their Uncle Corey, and they were working side by side with the Flagman Education Outreach team to teach children. And it was really beautiful to see that, to see my brothers, my sisters. It's a family affair of educating the next generation of drivers.
And what else are kids telling you as you go into the school? And you've been working with Honda a lot, I know, and there's more to come in your program. Tell me about that.
So when we walk into schools, we had a little boy say, "Are you Flagman? Thank you so much for coming to my school." We had a kid this week at one of the elementary schools say, "This is the best day of my life," which is just really beautiful to see that. So, you know, we look for funding and we try to target states that are motivated to change the driving culture. You know, since Corey was killed, I think 4 emergency responders have been killed in the state. That's a lot. A lot of passengers are being struck on the side of the road. So we look for funding, and Honda's been a big supporter for 3 years. So they supported our pilot program in 2023. They supported the creation of the PSA in Fairfield. They supported a Train the Trainer platform, and they're basically helping me with my national expansion. So right now we've done 30,000 kids in Connecticut and Hawaii, and in 2026 we're launching in Torrance, California with Honda's help. We've put in an application for Alabama. We're talking to Florida, Arizona, Nevada, and Michigan.
So nationwide, here you come, Cindy.
Yes.
And I think the best thing about this is that you are teaching all of us that people who work on the highways are mothers, brothers, sisters, moms, dad, on and on and on. And they are family people, and treat them with respect and slow down and move over.
Yeah, absolutely.
Cindy, thanks so much for being here. Be well.
Thank you.
You bet. And for more on Flagman and the work they are doing to save lives, go to WTNH.com or the News 8 app.